Creators.
Hello, Frank Skinner here. Someone said reading brilliant poetry is like opening a skylight in the top of your head and just feeling the cool, sweet, revitalising air come whooshing in. Okay, it was me. Available from wherever you get your podcasts.
Calling all McCrispy lovers. Your favourite chicken burger has been remixed with delicious smoky bacon, hot and spicy mayo, and a caramelised onion relish. As if you didn't love it enough already. The McCrispy Deluxe. It's your favourite chicken remixed. Available until the 5th of September, served after 11 a.m, subject to availability.
The Honda HRV Hybrid is a very good-looking car. So here we are on the radio, where its clean lines can't distract from its other qualities, like its spacious interior. Advanced safety features are standard. Connectivity, oh hang on, are some of you searching online for a picture of it? Okay, it's gorgeous, but you know what? Go to a showroom, see it in person, maybe even test drive it. It's not all about looks. Honda, the power of dreams.
Juicy ripe Rosedene Farm strawberries. Price matched at only £1.59 for 227 grams at Tesco. Perfect for making a refreshing Eton mess and being deliciously devoured by messy eaters of all ages. That's true value. Tesco. Every little